Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI just 8 days ago, to be exact on May 17th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $15.61. And at this point I told you that my main assumption was the following. We were approaching to the so-called double bottom pattern, but if this pattern doesn't hold, we might retest this level, this green rectangle. It is a confluence level of three different signs that might be an indicators of trend reversal. And guys, take a look right here. We are still at the same exact level. We retested to the tick. Let me show you on a smaller scale. We retested to the tick this bottom, and we formed so-called triple bottom pattern, and from this point we had a first reaction. Does it mean that this might be the beginning of new uptrend? I will explain you everything in my technical analysis. But before we dive deep into all of this, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you what crucial levels do we have for SOFI for the upcoming weeks and how we can benefit out of its movements. So, first of all, let's begin with the general sentiment related to SOFI stock, and to do so, just type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to News tab folder. Here you can see the most recent news, and it is quite interesting, but we have we have several news that are asking questions. Is SOFI a buy at $16 in 2026? And to be honest, it is quite interesting to see this switch of narrative, because just previously, about a month ago, we had much more bearish news and bearish titles of this news. And let me pay attention to one article and just one part of this article. I want to show you that one of the best news that was disclosed in the most recent earnings report is this one. SOFI adjusted net income margin to 15.3% in the most recent quarter, up from 2.9% in the year ago period. Guys, as you can see, it is more than 6% increase in this number, and this is a very good fundamental update. Not the best news that was disclosed at the same exact report is this one. The company lost an important customer within its technology platform segment. As a result, revenue here fell 27% compared to Q1 2025. And definitely this is one of the reasons why SOFI didn't rise their expectations for the upcoming quarter, and this is the reason why SOFI went lower right after their earnings report. As you can see, they lost right after the earnings report about 18% of its value. On top of that, I want to show you this update from Travis. He wrote this tweet on May 21st, and he said, SOFI just acquired another company. That's their third acquisition of 2026 in as many months. The stock is negative 41% year to date. Here's what the market is not understanding. Yesterday, CEO Anthony Noto laid out 4 new $100 million businesses that had effectively zero revenue a year ago. SOFI Plus, subscription, big business banking, BIS, SOFI USD, stablecoin, and crypto trading. All capital light, all high margin, all net new. The 3 acquisitions in 2023 each plug into one of those segments. Primer bit extends SOFI Invest, capital market access. Composer extends SOFI Plus, AI portfolio building, and Pitch extends big business banking, loan services. And if you want to know more about this acquisition, Travis made a video where he explained all the details about this most recent acquisition by SOFI. And definitely it is a very good implementation of their additional capital that they raised just several months ago, and they will benefit out of these acquisitions. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from the fundamental standpoint, we still might have this as our lowest point of the internal fifth wave of this scale from this top, from this swing high. It is the last leg of this structure, of this 5-wave structure. Let me show you right here. And it is pretty much the last wave of the C, ABC correction. It is the C point that might also be right here. But is it a guarantee that we have this as our lowest point? Definitely not. We might see another leg to the downside that potentially might hit this green rectangle, and it is a confluence reasons out of several different perspectives. First of all, it is 0.786 fib retracement level. If I mark this, if I adjust this tool, you can see that it is 0.786. If I pull fib retracement tool from this swing low to this swing high, and it is a very good level of support from the technical standpoint. Next one, if I connect this bottom and this bottom as well with this line and project it further, you can see that it is a confluence reason with this line as well, which might act as the range of support. And as you can see, we have 2 lines at $13.07 and $14.14, which were the structural levels of support and resistances back in the days, which also might act as the level of support. And that is why, guys, if this asset breaks the lowest point of about $14.93 in the upcoming week, we might see the retest of this green rectangle, and we might see some fluctuations in price around these levels, around $13.5 to maybe $14, and then we might see the trend reversal to the upside that will happen within the next several weeks. And if you want to benefit out of these movements, just wait for more confirmation, because we might have a straight movement to the upside from the current place, from the current level, or we might have another leg to the downside that will retest $13.5 mark. That is why, guys, be cautious, be patient, and wait for more confirmation from the market, and then you will be able to benefit out of its movements. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God